Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Senthil, Director of Value Foundation Academy. This video we are going to see how to be successful. So I dedicate this video to our Indian soldiers who have lost their life for us in our borders, and also to actor Sushant. It's hard for any person to lose their life, and for the family members. So let us all pray for their family and dear and near ones to get better and strong. So let's get into the subject. So how to be successful? So I'm going to tell you two important factors which will contribute to your success. And I know most of you know this, but practicing it is the biggest challenge. Yes, the two important factors are action and consistency. So if you see successful people, they will be someone who take action. If you really see in this world, there are a lot of people with great ideas. What makes people successful and not successful is that action. So one who takes action will be in edge, who will be successful. There are a lot of people who starts with half idea or no idea but being successful. So point is, taking action is very important. So don't get stopped with whatever situation. It can be things which stops you from within, or that can be an external force which is making you to stop from taking an action. So very important, taking an action. So this is where a mind plays its game. So as we spoke earlier, mindset is more to do with this thing. So have a positive mindset to take action, and that action will make you successful. And very important thing is consistency. So when I say consistency, it is being on track continuously. So there are people who take action also, but they quit halfway. Always remember, when you want to quit, why do you start? Right? So if you have the purpose and vision clear, that will take you places. So always have in mind, consistency is very important. I would say equal to action. So action and consistency are equally important. So what will keep you in consistency is you having a vision board or goal board, talking to people who kind of committed listener, who listen to you. And I always recommend PDCA approach, that is plan, do, check, act approach, to refrain yourself or to recorrect yourself such that you are going in the right track. Always choose a good coach or a mentor who can guide you and support you through the process. And how to be consistent, I'm going to tell you one of the tips. So we people as a human, we always need motivation. But let me tell you, my friends, if you ask me to choose motivation versus inspiration, I choose inspiration. I'll tell you why. Motivation is most of the time which comes from outside. So you would always look out for motivation. When there is no somebody to motivate you, you will be down. So whereas inspiration is something which comes from inside us. So we need to be really inspired, and that inspiration will take place. And second thing is, motivation is most of the time it's time bound. So if you see a movie, or if you read a book, or if you listen to somebody, why not even this video will keep you motivated for some time, little time. If it is really good, maybe it may take longer time, but we need motivation all the time. Whereas inspiration is within us. So from the moment we start till we die, that inspiration will always be within us. And if you see motivation, it can be positive as well as negative. So most of you would have heard about carrot and stick when we talk about motivation. So when somebody tells you that I'll get you a bike or a car, you do this for me, you get good marks, I'll get you a cell phone, then we will study. So that's called as a positive motivation. And in turn, negative motivation they will threaten you or they will scare you. They will tell, if you fail, I will take back your phone, so I will not give you your pocket money, or I will not get you an engineering seat. So these are something for negative motivation, I would say. So whereas inspiration is always positive, so do understand, to be successful, action and consistency. To say it short, consistent action is very, very important to be successful. I'm sure this video would have inspired you to take consistent action. So see you all in the next video. Until then, signing off. Bye bye.